Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Just a quick catch up. I haven't been for a few days. Still got a lot to do. All that clearing to do on the back there. All them brambles, got some more lighting because it's quite dim at the back end of the greenhouse where I've got some of my seedlings. So I can get done over the next few days. Oh, here we go, my little seat there. 5 bricks put together. I need to really fetch another seat from home. But yeah, just take you through what I've got growing here. We've got tomatoes there, cabbage, stocks. I always forget which one they are. These ones make poppies. Starting to grow really well now. I don't want to overwater them because they will rot if I put too much water on. Also bought this off the allotment. It was £4 a bag. Mother Earth multi-purpose compost. Environment fish. Peat in this product has been harvested from areas of scientific. Has not been harvested from areas of scientific interest. Oh, I'm going to say that. A bit worried there. There's my plant food and my pots. Gypsophilia there. I'll be making another video on thinning them out and growing them on in the next few days. I've got my 72 plug plants there. My begonias. I've got all sorts in there. I've got pelargoniums. I forget there's that many. But yeah, here we go. I've got freesias there. Peonies. Right, here we go. Geraniums, perennial. Perennial there. And I've got Veronica there, them two. And then Iris, black one. And these are my, let me get it, memory's like a sieve today. Cosmos. Dahlia's there. And I've got my Nerines, 5 of them. 3 of them are doing alright. 2 haven't started yet, hopefully, fingers crossed. They're my petunias. That's just a quick tour of what's happening in my greenhouse at the moment. We'll be coming and doing some more tomorrow and the next day. Now I feel a bit better. So, any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Like my videos, please subscribe. Thank you for watching, folks. Have a good day, folks. Bye.